Anyway, it's homeless life slash life upside down. And we're under our umbrella. And it is raining. But it's homeless life. Two-Tone's dry. I always keep him dry. But yeah, it's raining. We got awakened to rain. But I felt the wind coming up. I saw the lightning, so I went ahead and picked up our sleeping bag, put it in there. So it'll dry out today as soon as the sun hits it. It's one of those fast drying materials. Right now, we're on his doggy bed. So, but good morning, everybody. It's homeless life slash life upside down, and you know, this is what happens when you're out on the streets. You deal with the rain, you deal with the heat, but you especially deal with the mosquitoes. Yeah, so. Anyway, if you have a home to be in, be thankful. Like I said, you know, that's his life.